Hey, welcome back, gang. We're on our Jeep here, 2017. It's got a lot of miles on it, but man, we are tightening it up, making it back to new, and doing a little bit of upgrading.
Yeah, upgrading using PowerStop. We go to PowerStop for just about everything that comes through the shop, man. They're great. This is PowerStop Z36 truck and tow brake upgrade kit. If you got a truck, if you're hauling things, if you got bigger tires on your SUV or your pickup truck, this is definitely the go-to kit.
Or if you're just hauling the mail.
Yeah.
Right? This is for you. So, right, just check out these rotors, man. Zinc coated, so they're not gonna rust on you. You've got drills and slots. Keep your pad, cool, clean as it goes around, so you got that consistent stopping power.
Chamfered as well. The Z36 pad combo is fantastic. Think about all the brake dust we see on our rims, right? This cuts that down dramatically, so you don't have all that debris. And that, you know how it adheres to your rim, makes it all dark and ugly. Yeah, you won't get that with the Z36 upgraded pad. Great technology and all the top-notch hardware to make it fit, perform like it should.
That's one thing you want to do is typically if you just go buy a pad set,
Yep.
right? All that supporting hardware, things can get bound up, stuck. You get pads that don't retract, and so then they wear out prematurely. Your fuel economy goes bad. So make sure you go in there and do all the details. Make sure you get your lube in the right spots as well.
Yeah,
all right, so let's jump on that. What's new, which is kind of cool, is PowerStop has their Power Clear. So these are really kind of high-performance wiper blades, really great price point, and they come with sort of a windshield cleaner for kind of a one-stop.
How dirty is your phone? Right, look at your phone all the time. You're like, oh, it's just filthy, right? Need the wipes, how to clean it all off. Same thing for your front windshield, which is a huge help. And what's cool with the Power Clear wipers, they come in a set of 2, because you need 2 of them, yes. Pretty cool, man. Now, let's get this stuff on and get this thing rocking. All right, and there you have it for a little Trailhawk. We got it beefed up on suspension, new brakes on it, even some new wipers, roadworthy.